We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Mr.Pang LED mask, a gesture-sensing, light-up mask that's been making waves as a standout gift for Halloween, Christmas, birthdays, and cosplay parties. If you own this product, we encourage you to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Now, let's dive into what users love and occasionally dislike about this unique gadget. The Mr.Pang LED mask is designed to be both fun and functional, offering 50 different settings and displays that transform its appearance with vibrant colors and patterns. Users have praised its ability to switch between designs seamlessly, thanks to the gesture-sensing technology. This feature allows wearers to change the mask's face with a simple swipe of their hand, adding an interactive element that kids and adults alike find fascinating. One of the standout features of this mask is its brightness. The LED lights are vivid and colorful, making it a head-turner at night events like Halloween or parties. Parents have noted that their children loved wearing it while trick-or-treating because it stood out among other costumes and added an extra layer of excitement. The brightness also ensures visibility in low-light conditions, which is a practical bonus for nighttime use. Comfort is another area where the Mr.Pang LED mask excels. It comes with an adjustable soft strap that fits snugly without causing discomfort, even when worn for extended periods. Users have reported that the mask is lightweight and doesn't feel heavy on the head, making it suitable for kids as young as 3 years old up to teenagers and even adults. The design also allows wearers to see clearly from inside the mask, ensuring safety while walking or interacting with others. Durability is frequently mentioned in user reviews as well. Despite being passed around during family gatherings or subjected to enthusiastic play by children, the mask has proven to be sturdy enough to withstand regular use. Parents have expressed satisfaction with its build quality, noting that it feels solid and well made for its price point. Charging the mask is straightforward, and users appreciate its long battery life. Many reviewers have highlighted that the mask lasts through an entire evening of use without needing a recharge, making it reliable for events like Halloween or parties. The charging process itself is simple, adding to the overall user-friendly experience of this product. In terms of versatility, this mask shines as more than just a costume accessory. Parents have shared stories of their children using it as a toy long after Halloween or Christmas has passed. Its ability to entertain kids during playtime makes it a great investment for families looking for something both fun and functional. However, no product is perfect, and there are some minor drawbacks worth noting. A few users mentioned that while the gesture sensing feature works well most of the time, it can occasionally be finicky depending on lighting conditions or hand placement. This isn't a deal breaker for most people, but is something to keep in mind if you're expecting flawless performance every time. Another point raised by some reviewers is that while the mask fits comfortably on most children and adults, very young kids might need assistance adjusting the strap properly to ensure it stays secure during use. This is more of a general consideration rather than a flaw, but worth noting if you're purchasing this for younger children. Overall, the Mr.Pang LED mask has received overwhelmingly positive feedback from users who appreciate its combination of innovative features, comfort, durability, and fun factor. It's an excellent gift idea for kids who love costumes or tech gadgets, and equally enjoyable for adults looking to add some flair to their party outfits or cosplay events. Whether you're buying it for Halloween, Christmas, or just as a cool toy for your child, this mask delivers on its promise of being both entertaining and practical. If you're interested in purchasing this product or learning more about it, click the link in the description to support our channel while exploring what makes this mask such a hit among users worldwide.